purchased this Valentino Roman stud for over $3,000 in 2021. Then in 2022, it was released in a new color that I preferred over the ivory color. So I tried to sell the ivory. I was only offered $2,000 from a reseller, so I sold at a loss. I learned my lesson about which luxury handbags to choose. Now let me help you. Welcome to the handbag heaven, or welcome back for those who are returning. Have you ever wondered how some bags can sell for thousands more than their original price? Well, get ready to uncover the secrets of picking bags with a higher resale value. I learned the hard way that not all bags retain resale value. I've been collecting for almost 4 decades. But it wasn't until I sold my very first LV Speedy 25 a few years ago for more than what I originally paid that I realized I had been choosing handbags all wrong. But by this time, I had already made a lot of mistakes. First of all, I owned over 100 bags at one point. And a lot of the bags were contemporary brands versus popular luxury brands. But wait, don't click off just yet. I know you're probably thinking, you don't purchase bags just to resell. And guess what? Neither do I. When I purchased my Valentino Roman stud, I didn't intend to sell it. It was just that I saw a color that I preferred over the original color that I had purchased. Also, when I purchased my Speedy years ago, I didn't ever think that I would sell it, but over the years, I had collected so many other bags, I no longer use that bag. Honestly, even if I never sold a bag, at the end of the day, all I want is the best value, and that includes resale value. I wasted too much money on a lot of bags that just don't hold value. Like I said, most of my bags that were in my collection were contemporary brands. Now, don't get me wrong, I like those bags, but let's face it, a lot of them just don't hold value. This is especially true when it comes to Michael Kors. Just think about it. What Michael Kors bag are you willing to pay top dollar to get your hands on? I'll wait. Nothing against the brand, but when you think about popular luxury brands like Hermes and Chanel, just to name a few, you could probably think of several bags that you would pay a bit of a premium to get your hands on. I mean, I have several on my wish list. By the way, check out that video. Don't get me wrong, buy what you love, but this video is about how to choose the bag with the best resale value that you just so happen to also love. Now, that's a win-win in my opinion. If that sounds good to you, then I'm glad you didn't click off this video. I'm going to answer the question you've probably been wondering. How do you know which bag will hold value with countless options to choose from? The challenge lies in understanding what makes a bag a hot commodity in the resale market. So we're going to talk about the 3 things that influence resale value that you need to know in order to choose the right bags. Number 1 is brand popularity. A bag from a coveted designer can easily end up with a resale value that is more than the original price. This is true for the brand Hermes. Hermes quota bags are sold for much more than the retail value. According to the 2023 Claire report, the Hermes Constance has an average retention value at approximately 125%. So that's 25% over the original retail price. The Calic is trailing at approximately 115%, and the Birkin at approximately 105%. Even the non-quota bags like the Picatinny had an average retention value of 120%, as well as the Evelyn bag Generation 3 is just short of 110%. Then you have Chanel, another popular luxury brand. The Chanel Classic Flat has an average value retention of just under 100%. If you were lucky enough to purchase back in 2015 when the bag was half the retail cost it is today, then the resale value could be even higher. However, with all of the price increases since 2019, it will take a long time to sell at a profit. But for those of us who are not really planning to sell it, it is just good to know that it is retaining value. But when it comes to brand popularity, just a little bit of market research will let you know which brands are worth the money. The second thing that influences resale value is limited edition releases. A limited edition release can easily sell for more than its original price. LV just released the Millionaire Speedy bag. Who would have ever thought that any Speedy would cost $1 million? But then again, this is not a typical Speedy, okay? It's crocodile. Now, I have had the pleasure of purchasing a limited edition LV clutch back in 2023, and in 2024, I still can't find another one on the market. While the clutch is limited, I can't say that it is popular and that there is a demand for it. However, the right buyer who actually collects limited edition pieces would be the person to likely purchase this bag at a premium. I mean, they would definitely have to purchase it from my family in an estate sale because I don't have any plans to sell this piece. By now, you're probably wondering how to get your hands on limited edition pieces. First, you definitely want to stay up to date with the brand's new releases so that you can act fast. Second, you will definitely need a sales associate. Also, keep in mind that brands like Hermes and Chanel require you to already have a previous purchase history. The third thing that influences resale value is emerging and current trends. Trends play a crucial role. Last year, the Barbie movie was the catalyst to the surge in demand for pink luxury bags. Chanel dangled the vintage pink heart bag in our faces with this movie. This caused the cost of the vintage bag to increase even more on the pre-loved market. According to Rebag, the pink Chanel classic flap bags retain an average value of 110%, whereas the other colors was just under 100% in 2023. Pink luxury bags overall was 21%, which is a 5% increase from 2022. At this point, you're probably asking the question, how do I stay abreast of and even predict these trends? Luckily for you, today, you don't actually have to do all the work. You can just find a reliable source. Your favorite YouTuber can be a great source. Some YouTubers who are in the fashion business have insider information on luxury bag trends. Some are even trendsetters themselves. I am subscribed to quite a few that actually attend Fashion Week, so I can actually get a behind-the-scenes glimpse of what's to come. Two of my favorites are in the business, trendsetters, and give insider details on emerging and current trends. But I do want to caution that handbag trends can become volatile. So if you are actually purchasing trendy style bags to sell, you have to strike when it's hot and offload the bags before it's not. I do recommend purchasing more classic pieces over super trendy pieces. The good thing with classics is they never really go out of style. Also, fashion is cyclical, so it's likely that things like color and classic bag style trends will come around again and again. For example, larger bags was not really on trend in 2020 to 2021. All I saw was tiny bags, but really in 2024, the oversized bags are dominating. There are so many YouTube videos out there covering these trends months in advance of the bags making its way to the store, so all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, sit back and watch. It's all about being strategic and staying ahead of the game. To wrap it up, remember that research and timing are key when it comes to picking bags with high resale value. Stay informed, keep an eye on the market trends, and strike when the iron is hot. With the right approach, you can find bags that you love and look great on your arm, but also that could put some extra money in your bank account should you decide to sell. Now, you should be ready to take your fashion investment game to the next level. Share your experience with buying and selling bags for resale value. For those who don't sell their bags, share your experience with getting limited edition pieces. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Also, check out the Handbag Heaven for more on luxury bags and beauty. Follow the Handbag Heaven on Instagram. As always, thanks for watching.